Ace. Mahal. Smile, Ace.
Smile, Ace. Smile, Ace.
One more.
Smile, Ace. Smile.
Okay na. One more.
Bye, Aaron.
It's our time to shine, yeah, yeah. We've got talent, so push out. Here we go.
Get mo yung toy mo. Toy mo yung toy. Thank you, thank you. Say thank you.
Here, SM Little Stars is a nationwide kitty talent competition across 71 participating SM malls where we get to find the brightest, shining, and most talented kids in the Philippines because it's a...
Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Vouchers for a 2-night stay with breakfast for two at Radisson. Okay, may dala siyang ibang props dito. O, sige, bago ang lahat, what's your name?
Ace Andre Garcia.
Ace, tama ba? Okay, Ace, I believe meron kang hawak ngayon, so yan ang talent mo for today. Yan po ang talent niyo po, ipapakita mong talent. Kasama po itong props, di ba?
Yes.
Yes! So, eto na, pakita na natin. Ready ka na, Ace? Alright, let's have male participant 010. Okay, Ace, go ahead.
Can you please make 3 turns? Thank you. Say please.
Ayan, nasa kuya.
naman. Ang galing ni Ace. Thank you so much, Ace. Alright. Ang galing.